Hello guys, Jopila is here and I welcome you to Wealth with Jopila. Alright, so if you are just joining me, my name is Jopila and I welcome you to the channel. So what I basically do on this channel is to go online, look for ways to make money online, and when it works, I'm going to come back here and make video about it so that we all can win together. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit and how to choose CPA marketing content locking template. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to choose CPA content locking template. All right, so I want you to follow me step by step because this video is going to be a value packed video. All right, so we are going to be creating templates in the sense that whenever you drive traffic to it, they will be wanting to give you to enter their details because of the attractiveness of the template. All right, so let's get right into it and see how to go about it. Okay guys, so the first thing we are going to do is to go to Cpagrip. All right, so this is Cpagrip here. Then head here to monetization tools. So click on URL and file lockers. All right, so if you are here, as you can see, I've done a lot of couple of content here. So what you need to do is to come here and click on create new URL locker. Then click on I agree here. Then click on complete. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular page. All right, so the next thing is to come here to template to see the template that they have here. All right, these are the templates that they have. So let's say you want to you like something gaming. Let's say you want to promote gaming stuffs. Let's say you've seen a top-notch traffic hack that you want to use to generate traffic to something gaming. All right, so let's see how to create gaming offer here. All right, so what we need to do now is to go to Cpagrip template. So just type in Cpagrip templates in Google, then you are going to into your browser, then you are going to see this. So click on this Cpagrip templates. So it's going to bring you to this website. So from here you are going to scroll down, then you are going to be seeing a lot of templates here. Okay, so let's search through till we see something gaming. All right, so let's search through it till we get something game like. Okay, as you can see, this is game like. Okay, this one also is PlayStation Network. Okay, this one also is also gaming. So let's see another one if there are much more. Okay, so this is YouTube mining. This also is gaming. So so let's just go back and pick one of the gaming designs here. So what we need to do is to scroll down here. So let's pick this one. So click on it, it will open up, then it will give you the codes for this template. So what you are going to do is to copy this CSS. All right, so you need to come here, click on this copy icon, copy it, then come back to Cpagrip. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of like 5 tabs here: general, CSS, HTML, advanced, and template. So come to CSS here. Once you are here, then click on Ctrl A, then Ctrl V to copy and paste the CSS code you just copied. So come down here again to the to Cpagrip template. So come down here, scroll down till you get to HTML section. Okay, this is HTML, then click on copy, come back here, then click on HTML here. So copy this, okay, delete it. All right, then paste the one you just copied. So scroll down here, then click on preview. Okay, as you can see, this is a very awesome template. So anybody that landed on this page will be wanting to get whatever you are giving out here. So let's make this very catchy so that people will want to enter their details to get anything or to get an offer. So let's change this to something awesome. So Clash Royale online generator. So let's change this to something like choose amount of gift cards. Okay, let's say choose amount of Royal or Clash gift cards. So let's scroll up here. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. Choose amount of Clash gift cards. Okay, so let's refresh this again. Okay, as you can see, choose amount of Clash gift cards. So let's say, let's start from, as you can see, look at the option. So you need to be someone that can read code a little bit so that you understand what all this code is all about. Okay, so come here. Okay, So let's start from 100. Okay, from 100 let's go 500. 500, from 500 to 1000. 1000. All right, so let's just refresh this. As you can see, it starts from $100, 500 to 1000. So let's say you want more options. All right, so let's copy this. You're going to copy this. Copy. All right, then paste. So as you can see, it's here. So let's say we want this to be 2000. Let's say $2000. So if you come here now, you are going to be seeing 4 options. As you can see, 2000 is included. So come down here also. Come down here, choose amount of let's say gold gold gift cards. Okay, then let's do the same thing that we did here. Copy this. Copy this. So I don't want to be typing it again, that's why I just copy and paste. So come down here, then click on refresh. Okay, so you are going to be seeing it. Okay, as you can see, we are good to go now. Okay, so our template is looking good, and whoever landed on this page will be wanting to get all these offers. Yes, all these offers. We want to complete this to get this item gift. So if you want to change this generate now, as you can see, this is generate now. So the right thing that can be there is something like get your gift card now. So let's hit refresh again. Okay, as you can see, this is looking good. Get your gift cards now. This is looking good, and whoever land on this page will be wanting to complete this offer to win whatever you want them to believe to win. All right, so that's just how to go about choosing templates for your CPA offer. All right, so I'm interested in gaming, that's why I choose this particular template. All right, and if you check the statistics of people in the gaming niche now, you will notice that there are millions of people, there are billions of people in this niche. All right, so you stand a chance of generating a lot of traffic to this particular website template of yours. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate traffic to this particular template that we just created. All right, so if you want to do another template, all right, so let me just hit save. Right, as you can see, please fix the following issue. So sorry, we have not logged anything. We want them to enter their we want to make sure they enter their details to get something in return. Okay, to get something in return. So what we need to do is to bring in valuable content here. All right, whatever you promise to give them is what you should give them for entering their details here. So let's say this is what we want to give them. Let's say this is what we want to give them. Then paste the link here. Okay, once you have pasted the link, you need not to do anything again. Then click on refresh. Okay, then save. So it's going to save this particular template, and if you copy you get the link now. So let's get the link. So copy the link, and if you paste it, so you are going to be seeing a very awesome landing page. So this is a very awesome one. People who want to confirm all these things to get their items, okay, to get whatever you want them to get. So I'm going to be showing you how to get traffic to this particular website that we just created in the next video. I hope this has helped you, and if it actually helps you, then I urge you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it to whoever you think might need it. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate traffic to this particular website we've just created. So I'm going to see you on the other side. Have a nice day.